Okay, so let's get started creating our new app. So in order to create a new project, we can do either clicking on this start new project, or we can click on this projects, and from here we can click on this start new project. So I'm going to click on this button right here, and this is how we can create a new app project. And let's name this one Talk My Name, and make sure there are no spaces in between the words. Okay, and once you have done that, just click on OK button right here, and our app user interface will be shown on the screen within seconds. Okay, so as you can see here, we have our screen, and as we have learned in the last section that we have all the UI tools right here. So in this video, or in this app, since we're gonna add some functionality so that it can talk our name or something that can actually make some sound, so in order to do that, we have to add something other than user interface. So user interface like things like buttons and text view, these are only used to show on the screen. But if we want to add some kind of functionality, so in order to do that, we need to add some other kind of components. Okay, so let's say we have all these things right here. As you can see, we have media, which has all this sound and sound recorder and all that stuff. So since we want to speak something, so we're gonna use this text to speech component. Okay, and we're gonna drag this component and drop it over the screen. So as you can see, since it's a non-visible component, so it cannot be seen in the screen as an UI, and it will be seen at the bottom right here. Okay, so this text to speech component would help us to do some text to speech, so we can talk our name. Okay, so next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna create a new button which will help us to click and add and talk our name. Okay, so I'm gonna go to user interfaces and drag and drop these buttons right here. Okay, so as we have done in the last video or the last section, we can place this button at the center. Okay, so in order to do that, just click on the screen right here, and for align horizontal, I'm going to select center, and for align vertical, I'm going to select center as well. So for both of them, we're going to select center. So now let's change the text in the button. So we're gonna come, where is that? Okay, first of all, you need to select the button from here, and then you need to come here, and as you can see here, we have a text component, and from here we can change the text of the button. So let's say talk my name, since we're gonna use that button to talk my name, and press enter, and as you can see, the button changes to talk my name. Okay, and this is how we create and design the UI for the app. In the next video, we're going to learn about blocks, and we're going to learn how can we add functionality so that whenever we click the button, this speaks our name. So we're going to learn that in the next video. So see you there.